I bought some rather pricey headphones, and they're nice. I mean, the headphones are nice, but there's one little issue. Let me do a close-up and I'll show you. See these little wind socks or spit socks, whatever? They're just a little piece of foam. They are ridiculously easy to lose, ridiculously expensive to replace, and ridiculously hard to find. So let me show you one way to avoid losing it. I just used some black thread, made a slip knot, and then tied another knot on top of that. And yeah, it's not going to come off of there easily. Now I'll just snip off the threads, and that's pretty much it. It's not going to come off of there very easily. I found this thing on the floor twice and knew I was going to lose it, so this was my solution. Well, I hope you found that useful and interesting in your home DIY projects.